Hey everyone! Did you know that even advanced AI systems like Claude have fears? Yeah, that's right. They actually fear hacking. Crazy, right? So, let's dive into this whole idea of ethical hacking, especially in the context of our favorite AI technologies like Claude and GPT-4o. As we explore this topic, we'll uncover why ethical hacking is becoming more crucial as we lean heavily on AI in our daily lives. Now, here's the central issue we need to tackle: AI vulnerabilities. These systems, as smart as they are not immune to threats. They can be manipulated or hacked, leading to serious ethical implications. Imagine a scenario where an AI model misunderstands a threat or is compromised. What could happen? We need to understand how these models perceive risks and how vulnerable they really are. It's like opening a Pandora's box filled with ethical dilemmas, especially when we think about who gets to hack for the greater good and who doesn't. The line gets blurred, and we have to address it. Let's explore the differences between Claude's hacking fears and GPT-4o's perceived security. Claude seems to have a heightened awareness, almost like it's on high alert for potential breaches. In contrast, GPT-4o appears more confident, perhaps too confident, in its security measures. This raises some interesting questions. What weaknesses might GPT-4o have that Claude is wary of? And what ethical dilemmas do we face in mitigating these vulnerabilities? It's a tricky balance to strike. We want our AI systems to be secure, but we also have to consider the implications of hacking them, even with good intentions. Here's the big takeaway: ethical hacking can actually be a game changer in strengthening AI systems. By proactively identifying vulnerabilities, ethical hackers can ensure that AI technologies are not only secure but also used responsibly. This insight is crucial, especially as we continue to integrate AI into sensitive areas like healthcare, finance, and security. So, let's view ethical hacking not just as a necessary evil, but as a vital tool in protecting and enhancing AI systems for everyone's benefit. To wrap things up, understanding AI vulnerabilities is super important. It's the key to ensuring that these powerful technologies are used safely and responsibly. Ethical hacking plays a significant role in this process, helping us navigate the complex landscape of AI security. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI security? Do you think ethical hacking is the way forward? Drop your comments below. And hey, don't forget to check out my other videos on ethical hacking and AI. There's a lot more to uncover. Thanks for watching.